Hello everyone, this is me Deboshmita Sharkar. Today we are going to talk about friction. So let's begin. What is friction? The external force that opposes relative motion between two surfaces in contact. Friction acts on the surface of contact of both these bodies. Relative motion. When one object moves relative to another, it is called a relative motion. In the frame of the road, in the frame of a car A and in the frame of a car B. Sorry. Why friction? Causes of friction. Friction occurs due to surface irregularities of the two objects in contact. Adhesive forces between surfaces in contact. Ploughing effect. Surface irregularities. All surfaces, when zoomed into a microscopic level, contain hills and valleys that interlock when they move or rub on top of each other. I'm so sorry. This unevenness of the surface is called as surface irregularities or roughness. Rough surfaces have large irregularities while smoother surfaces have lesser irregularities. Adhesive forces. When two surfaces are in contact, they start to form bonds and begin to stick to each other. This phenomenon is called as adhesion. When we try to move objects that are on top of another, we are basically breaking the bonds or overcoming the adhesive forces. Cohesive forces is the attraction forces between the water molecules. This causes fluids to form round shape where the molecules can be as closely packed together as possible. Adhesive forces are the forces which attract the water molecules to other surfaces, causing them to stick. Ploughing effect. When surfaces are soft or can change their shape easily, they get deformed when they come in contact with another object. For example, carpets, when a heavy object is placed on them, it looks like a valley that is caused by the deformation of their shape. This effect of the surfaces sinking into each other is known as ploughing effect. Factors affecting friction. Factors affecting friction depends on the nature of surfaces in contact. Friction exists between two surfaces, for example, glass and rubber. Nature of surface in contact. Friction depends on how hard the two surfaces press together. As more surface in contact and more bonds are formed, more bonds to break means more friction. Only the normal reaction force exactly perpendicular to the two surfaces increases friction. Calculating frictional force using a spring balance. Using a spring balance, we can find the friction forces opposed by different materials. Sandpaper gives a high reading as compared to stainless steel. Polishing surfaces in contact to change friction. Polishing surface reduces irregularities and therefore makes the surface smooth, reduces friction. Normal reaction force applied that is exactly perpendicular to the surface in contact is called normal reaction force. It increases the frictional force. Static friction. Friction due to a body at rest with the surface in contact is called as static friction. Kinetic friction. The friction that comes into play when objects are in motion is called as kinetic friction. Kinetic friction of two types, sliding and rolling friction. Friction of frenemy. How does friction produce heat? As friction involves breaking bonds, they make the particles vibrate, increase kinetic energy, and therefore increase heat. Applications of friction: writing, walking, running, tires on a car, a nail stays in the wall due to friction, usage of a matchstick. Reinvent the wheel. Rolling and using threads to change friction. Using ball bearings reduces friction, as rolling friction is other types of friction. Threads on tires help expunge water and give better grip by increasing friction. Rolling friction. Rolling provides less friction as compared to sliding. Rolling friction is greater than sliding friction. Machines use ball bearings to reduce the friction on moving parts. Drag force. Frictional force exerted by fluid is called drag force. The drag force on an object depends on speed as well as the shape of the object, shape of the body, and nature of the fluid. So with this we came to the end. Thank you. Please do like, share, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to comment in the comment section below. Thank you. Stay home and stay safe.